wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your trouble. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
我是苏基，感谢大家观看我的视频到最后。喜欢请点赞、评论、分享和订阅。Merci d'avoir visionné ma vidéo jusqu'à la fin. N'hésitez pas à liker, partager, et merci infiniment de vous abonner à ma chaîne Canada de Suzy。希望每一个我用心制作的菜谱都能够得到大家朋友和家人的喜欢。下次见喽！J'espère que chaque recette que je développe avec amour plaira à vos proches. À bientôt!